Hi, I'm Barbara McGinnis, one of the certified elder law attorneys at Takis McGinnis Elder Care Law. If a parent is ill and no longer drives, do you need to renew his or her driver's license? It's a question I hear frequently from clients. Though there's no need to renew a driver's license for an elderly parent who isn't driving anymore, it is important that your parent have a valid ID. Identification is required just about everywhere you go these days. It'll be required at the airport. And although you may think it's unlikely that your parent will ever travel again anywhere, you just never know. Your mom or dad may need to show an identification card at the bank or in a store when making a purchase with a credit card. An ID card may be required at a hospital or doctor's office or when picking up a prescription. Having a valid ID can also help protect a senior against identity theft. In the state of Tennessee, two types of identification, ID-only licenses, may be obtained through the Driver Services Division of the Department of Safety. No testing is required and the IDs are not valid for operation of a vehicle. The first type is an expiring identification license that is issued to any person without a valid driver's license who meets all requirements needed to obtain a driver's license. For anyone 65 or older, the ID does not expire. The second type is a permanent identification license for anyone who is physically or intellectually disabled. The person must provide a statement from the doctor stating they are unable to operate a vehicle. To apply for either type of Tennessee identification card, your parent will need to visit your local Tennessee Driver Services Center. He or she should bring the following documents: U.S. driver's license or any ID card, including out-of-state cards, proof of U.S. citizenship, such as a U.S. birth certificate or U.S. passport, a primary identification document, such as the original birth certificate or current U.S. passport, a secondary identification document, such as a health insurance card or social security card, proof of name change if your parent's current name is different than his or her primary proof of identity, proof of Tennessee residency, such as a recent utility bill, bank statement, or mortgage receipt, social security number. Do your homework and plan ahead before you take your parent to the nearest DMV office to obtain an identification card. Gather your documents and make sure you have original or certified copies, as photocopies will not be accepted. Make sure that your parent knows that a picture will be taken and be prepared to pay a small fee for the card. Your parent may not ever need his or her identification card, but it's best to have one just in case.